Hi, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to download Internet Download Manager, also called IDM. IDM is a shareware download manager owned by American company Tonic. It is only available for the Microsoft Windows operating system. It has recovery and resume capabilities to restore the interrupted downloads due to the lost connections, network issues and power outages. All you have to do is go to mohammadniaz.net website, search for Internet Download Manager. You can also see notifications in breaking news here. See here, internet. Click on Internet Download Manager. You will be navigate to the new window. Once you navigate to the new window, scroll down and click on download links here. You will be redirected to a new window. You can see various versions of Internet Download Manager. I am downloading version 6.36 build 1, the latest version. Click here. The file will be downloaded. Here you can see I am downloading the file. It is completing, finishing the download. Once the file download, navigate to the folder, extract the file here, go to the folder and run idmain.exe file. Click next. I accept. Click next, and once the installation complete, click on finish. Close the window that appears. Enable extension in Chrome. Also close IDM prompt icon. Copy the patch to the installation folder. Go to the folder and right click, run as administrator. Patch the file. Type your name. Click OK. Last name. Click OK. When the patch complete, exit, go back to the folder, run the key.readme file, click yes, OK. Now you can see that I registered the Internet Download Manager. Registration is inactive. Thanks for watching.